Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you very much for pressing this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this occasion, I would like to give you a presentation about Introduction to Media Communication subject. First of all, let me introduce myself before I get into the core of this video. Let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Fadli Lailatul Qadri. You can call me Fadli. I am from 1A class. I am a student at English Department in Polytechnic State of Padang. I am 19 years old and I live in Padang City in West Sumatra. In this presentation, I would like to give a material about media communication. So, before long, let's start to the presentation. In this presentation, there are several points that I want to explain to you all. The first point is about definition of communication media. The second is function of communication media. The next is television media. Next is about radio media. And then the next point is about new media. Also, I have the material about social media. And then I would like to give you now about definition of ethics. And the last material is about how to use social media wisely. So, before long, let's start to the first material. The first material that I want to explain is about definition of communication media. A communication media is an instrument or tool used to convey messages from communicators to the masses. The dominant media of communication is human sense, such as ears and eyes. The media of communication is also explained as a tool used as producing, reproduction, processing, and also distributing information. The second material is about the function of communication media. In this topic, I want to give you now three main functions of communication media. The first function is about education and information provision, conveying the facts to the recipient of the information. Media also serves to convey norms, rules, and values to media user. The second function is about the funnel of opinion. The general public may use communication media as a medium to convey opinions or opinions. And the last main function of communication media in this time is about communication media is a means to publish what policies and practices or policies taken by a government institution. The next material is about television media. Television is a form of media as a means of mass communication. Mass communication is a message communicated through the media to large numbers of people in this world. So, it could be concluded that television is a mass communication medium that has a combination of audio and visual, which people can see hearing by audio and see by visual. Television serves as communication media, information media, entertainment media, and also media liaison. The next material that I want to explain to you all is about radio media. About radio, radio as a general term in everyday life is used as a means of communicating information. The sounds we hear from the radio is a matter of electromagnetic energy from radio waves captured by radio airplanes and then turned over loudspeaker to sound energy so that we can hear it clearly. A radio function is to deliver information from its source to the user, like you and me. Okay, the next is new media. In this time, we can see several new media. For example, like websites, blog, audio streaming, video chat rooms, and also online community. About new media. New media in this own development. The media continues to grow at all times and not just in the field of communion. Other areas such as education in one form of media are books and others. The new media has also since changed in several aspects of the consumer and its steady production. New media in relation to such old media form as print and tabloid magazines, which is a static representation of the text and graphic. New media includes website, audio streaming blogs, video chat room, and also online community, and so on. In this presentation, I also give you know about social media. Social media is an online medium where visitors can easily do such things as participating, sharing, social networking, Wikipedia, forum, virtual world, and so on. The positive effect of social media is that it makes it easier for us to interact with many people in this world. To within associations, distance and time are no longer a problem, easier to express ourselves, faster dissemination of information, and also cheaper costs. Whether the negative impact of social media to us is to keep people close and instead face-to-face interaction tends to decrease, make people addicted to the internet, and also create conflict. The next material is about definition of ethics. Ethos means character. According to terminology, ethics is a systematic study of concepts of good, bad, must, right, wrong, and so forth, or of the general principle which justify us in this application in all things. Also, ethos called moral philosophy. Nah, how to use social media widely is relate about ethos. The first, always be mindful of the use of clause. Be careful when use several clause. Look for the color section of vowels. And then selection of exact symbol and icons category in social media. And next is using a corresponding language. And the last is about giving a prompt respond to 7-7. Provide information that has clear reference. Okay guys, I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for attending this presentation section. And yeah, I hope you can learning something about my presentation. And thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.